Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today, got, guess what? Amazon box. Smile. So today we're going to be unboxing a Pyle TV stand, and this would be the Pyle PTV STNDPT 3215. I want to take it to come up with a longer name for that. So here's what it's supposed to look like when we get her set up there so we can mount a TV. You guys are going to hear some noises in the background, and that's going to be somebody singing karaoke. The reason we got this is for our karaoke party we're having, so we have somewhere to set the TV. So let's see what we got in the box here. Okay, we got, look, got some, I think these are supposed to be instructions wadded up. Let's see here. Looks like a bunch of trash, but I guess it's supposed to be, yes, there we go. TV tripod stand. Okay, I'm digging that and try to, okay, and I guess this is just some kind of support thing, card. Anyway, set it off to the side, and let's see what we got in the box. Okay, something else in there. I hear it. Okay, so we got a little pack of screws. That's good. And here we'll have the stand itself. So we will pull out the bag, and here we go. No assembly required. That's it. And yeah, give me 1 second here and I'll readjust. Okay, so here's the stand itself. It's just going to be a tripod, so we'll just loosen this screw here. That will enable the legs to fold out. It's going to be a pretty good wide base there. And then we'll loosen. Alright, so this is going to be our stand. Then we got the plate where we'll mount the TV. Our adjustments here, so the TV will go, window going relatively high. I'll go ahead and put this on the floor. You guys keep in mind, I am 6'3", so this is going to be about 5 foot here. And if I actually took the leg here and pushed it up a little bit, which will narrow our base, and then tighten that back down, we'll be able to bring it up a little bit, and that's really stable there. So that probably puts us at about 5'5" or so right there. You figure 19-inch 24-inch TV, and we're going to get that mounted up here in just a second. So that's basically it, guys, for the Pyle TV tripod stand. That's all I'm going to call it. I'm not going to call it the PTVSD BR549 241358. Really good unit. It's lightweight. It feels really sturdy. And yeah, we'll get the TV mounted up to it. Okay, guys, there it is, all set up. Like I said, you guys keep in mind, I'm about 6'3", so you know, putting, I don't know, probably just right at close to 6 feet with a 24-inch TV. You know, the mid height is going to be about 5'5". You know, it's pretty darn stable. So, call that a win for the Pyle TV tripod. And you'll see, just simply attach to the back of the stand with your typical 4 screws like you would a regular mount, and that was it. Alright, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it helps you out. If it helped you out, please click thumbs up that you liked it and it helped you out. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll do the best I can to help you out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out some of my other videos, or if there's any other videos you would like to see of unboxings or how things work, just let me know. I'll do the best I can. Thanks.